are the ones who are accompanying the president. I even saw somewhere when unveiling a housing program, he actually introduced one of the goon leaders in Nairobi and gave him the presidential microphone to talk to the people. That's how low we have sunk as a country. And then he is at the UN there pretending to look very holy, the way he cheated us with the Bible. Lakini wazungu wako huko walimuonea 18. Saying how concerned he is about Haiti. It is because Haiti is a conduit for stealing public funds. And that is why it is continuing. As the Honorable Eugene have said, William Ruto, let the policemen come back here and deal with crime. In Nairobi today, people are being mugged during daylight. You cannot walk around in Nairobi at 6 p.m. And instead of these policemen coming here to help us deal with those gangs, they are somewhere in Haiti being killed and being butchered. I saw him shamelessly condemn the use of arms in Sudan. Yet everybody knows he is the one who is doing business with Hemeti and exporting guns to Sudan to kill women and children. And then he is there at the UN Assembly pretending. This guy is one of the most deceptive leaders we have ever seen in the history of this country. Everybody knows the arms in Sudan are from Kenya, and he is the one who is behind it. Then he is there pretending to condemn. So good people, let us stay united, let us stay focused. We have a job to do. We're gonna do it. Kenyans are behind us 100%. It's only we leaders who can let them down. And Kenyans are looking upon us. Yeah, they are looking upon us to provide leadership and to do the right thing to restore our country. And as the Honorable Mother has put it, once we form government in whatever capacity, whatever role our be asked to play, we must restore our nation. And that is a job at hand. We must make sure we have a functioning education system. We have a functioning health system. We bring to an end abductions and extrajudicial killing. We must restore the dignity of the payslip. And I said the other day, and Ruto was abusing me, I said, the government we shall form, our first job is to abolish the housing levy. Isn't it? Yeah, and these houses, we give them to the county governments to manage them, collect rent, and refund the money they have deducted from the people of Kenya. Yeah? And then, Ruto was crying that we have no brain, because we are saying we must do the right thing. And we allow him to say what he wants to say. But when the votes are counted, you understand who has brain in this country. Yeah? Si imebaki muda mchache sana. Yeah, it's looking ni mbali lakini ni muda mchache. I heard Musalia saying that in Africa nobody can be one term. Sasa wewe Musalia, hii Malawi, is it in Europe or is it in Asia? Yeah? Which Africa are you talking about? We saw it in Botswana. These things are happening and Kenyans are awake. And what is happening in the continent, Kenyans are watching and they are getting prepared. So Jensi mpo, nyinyi ndio dawa ya kasongo. Please, mchukue vitambulisho na mchukue kura. What you are doing on the smartphone is very good and we applaud you. And we really are very happy by enlightening Kenyans on what is going on. But the true and the real transformation of this country will happen on the ballot box. You must have the tool of change. The tool of change is the vote. So much as you are passionate on the smartphone, you must go to the next level and register as voters and help restore this country. You owe it to this country, Gen Zs, and you must understand you are the greatest shareholders in this country and stakeholders because you have longer to live than all of us. So you have a duty to make sure that you are governed properly and the country is run in an efficient manner where there is prosperity. And if you do that, things will be very good. I have many leaders that who are here. We have, of course, the Honorable Mithika Rinturi, the organizing secretary wetu wa DCP. Tuko Now the Honorable Maina Commander is the chairman